Samsung will soon release a new smartphone, which is no secret. The company's foldables have traditionally been shown in the second half of the year since the Note's demise, and this year will be no exception. Throughout the last several months, there have been many Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 leaks, giving us a general sense of the phone's design and actual capability. If you're still intrigued in the foldable phablet-sized device, some recent leaks haven't left much to the imagination. We'll start by taking a look at what seems to be an official render that was initially posted on My Smart Price. The hinge and many other major improvements, which are clearly shown in this picture, are in accordance with earlier CAD renderings that were disclosed in prior leaks. A phone that can fold entirely shut is seen in the render, a first for Samsung. These renderings seem to validate the long-held speculation that we would be receiving a new hinge design that would eliminate the unpleasant gap seen on earlier devices. It will be vital to gain some hands-on time with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 to better comprehend its design and feel. The picture that has been published, however, makes it look that the phone will have thinner bezels around the inner display than both its predecessor and Google's impending Pixel Fold. Aside from that, the Galaxy Z Flip 5's design seems relatively identical to that of its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which is consistent with prior speculations that stated the design will mostly stay untouched. Specifications for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 have been further confirmed by leaker Yogesh Brar. A 7.6-inch AMOLED foldable screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.2-inch external display with HD+ quality are believed to be included in the phone, according to the leak. The device's processor is most likely a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Society with up to 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The phone is also anticipated to sport a triple back camera configuration with a 50 megapixels primary sensor, a 4 megapixels under-display selfie camera, and a 10 megapixels front camera. Another report claims that the device will run One UI 5 based on Android 13 and feature a 4,400 mAh battery with 25W charging. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.